My call only ads are getting rejected even though phone number on subdomain and in ad is the same. Mm, so it probably is not due to the phone number. It could be some other reason. It could be something against Google's policies, or you may be using a trademark in the ad. It could be any number of reasons why your ads are being disapproved. Speak with Google, see what they say, and they will point out. They won't say exactly what, but they will point out, look, you're using a trademark, or your phone number is not the right one which you've set up in the ads. So, but subdomain is not a problem. We use subdomains all the time, so that isn't the case. I know that for a fact.